Are you tired of staring at a blank page, trying to craft a resume that truly stands out? Do you dream of professional, eye-catching designs without breaking the bank? If you've ever found yourself asking, how can I get Kickresume for free? Then you're in exactly the right place. We all know the job market is competitive. A stellar resume isn't just a formality. It's your golden ticket to landing interviews and ultimately, your dream job. And let's be honest, many of us turn to online resume builders because they promise simplicity, professional designs, and often AI-powered assistance. Kickresume is one of the most popular platforms out there, known for its sleek templates and powerful features. But the question that quickly follows is, how much does it cost? And more importantly, how can you unlock those premium features without spending a fortune? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Kickresume, exploring every legitimate avenue to access its incredible tools for free. Whether you're a student, a job seeker on a budget, or just someone who loves a good deal, I'm going to show you strategies and tips that can save you money and still help you create a resume that gets noticed. This isn't about shady hacks or workarounds. It's about leveraging the platform's own offerings and understanding how to maximize the value you get without reaching for your wallet. So, let's break down exactly how you can get Kickresume for free. First things first, it's crucial to understand that Kickresume operates on a freemium model. This means they offer a free plan with basic functionalities, alongside paid premium plans that unlock more advanced features, templates, and AI tools. Many users, understandably, want to access those premium features without the subscription cost. And while a truly, forever free, premium account might be elusive, there are definitely ways to get significant free access. One of the most generous offerings from Kickresume, and a fantastic starting point for many, is their student and teacher discount. If you're currently enrolled in an educational institution or are an educator, you are in luck. Kickresume offers up to 180 days. That's a full 6 months of full premium access for free. To qualify, you simply need to verify your student or teacher status through platforms like ISIC, ITIC, or UNIDAYS. This is an incredible opportunity to leverage all of Kickresume's premium tools, including their extensive library of templates, AI resume writer, AI cover letter writer, and more, for a substantial period. 6 months is ample time to create multiple versions of your resume, tailor them for different job applications, and even experiment with their website builder feature. If you're a student or teacher, this should be your first port of call. Don't miss out on this fantastic benefit. Beyond the student/teacher program, Kickresume does offer a free limited plan for everyone. This isn't a trial that expires after a few days. It's a free tier that you can use indefinitely. With the free plan, you typically get access to a selection of basic resume templates, usually around 4, for matching cover letter templates and 1 basic website template. You can still use their resume builder, edit your information, and download your resume an unlimited number of times, as long as you stick to the free customization options. While it might be a bit more restrictive in terms of design choices compared to the premium version, these templates are still professionally designed, ATS-friendly, and can certainly help you create a solid resume. The key here is to understand the limitations. Features marked with a premium badge will require an upgrade. However, for many job seekers, the basic templates combined with your strong content can be more than enough to land that interview. Now, let's talk about promotional offers and limited-time free trials. Kickresume, like many online services, occasionally runs promotions or offers short-term free trials of their premium plan. These trials might be for 7, 14, or even 30 days. How do you find them? Keep an eye on their website and social media. Companies often announce these special offers directly on their homepage, in their blog, or on their social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Subscribe to their newsletter, sign up for Kickresume's email newsletter. This is often where they announce new features, tips, and, yes, limited-time promotions or trial periods. Check deal websites and coupon aggregators. Websites specializing in software deals or coupon codes might feature Kickresume offers. Do a quick search for Kickresume discount code or Kickresume free trial before you commit to anything. Reddit communities. Believe it or not, subreddits like r/resume cover letter tips or even r/freebies sometimes have users sharing promo codes or information about how to get Kickresume Premium for free. Some users have reported getting promo codes in welcome messages after joining the r/Kickresume subreddit. So that's definitely worth checking out. Another less direct but still valuable way to get free access to premium-like features is by maximizing the free tools they offer within the free plan. While the templates might be limited, Kickresume still provides some powerful free features. AI Resume Writer, limited use even with a free account. You typically get a limited number of uses for their AI Resume Writer, which can help you generate initial drafts for your summary, work experience, and education sections. This can be a huge time saver and provide inspiration for your content. Resume examples. Kickresume offers a vast library of resume examples across various industries and professions. You can browse these examples for free to get ideas on formatting, wording, and what kind of content to include. While you can't directly use their premium templates, you can certainly take inspiration from the structure and content of successful resumes. ATS-friendly basic templates. Even the free templates are designed to be ATS-friendly. This means they are structured in a way that applicant tracking systems can easily parse your information, which is crucial for getting your resume past the initial automated screening. Understanding and utilizing these basic, yet effective, designs ensures your resume has a fighting chance. Website Resume Builder. Basic. The free plan also includes a basic website builder. Turning your resume into a personal website can be a great way to showcase your skills and portfolio online, providing employers with a more dynamic view of your professional profile. Consider also the possibility of collaborating or sharing access. While not officially endorsed by Kickresume and potentially against their terms of service in some specific scenarios, if you know someone who has a premium account, perhaps a fellow student or teacher who got the free 6-month access, they might be able to help you by creating or editing a resume for you within their account. This is a bit of a gray area, so proceed with caution and ensure you're not violating any user agreements. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.